Got the hood pins installed. It's gonna make a difference right there for sure. Be a difference for sure. I got them gold. I got them sitting in there right now so y'all can see them. But when I paint the car, that's the one that's gonna be up to match the wheels. Yeah, this thing's gonna be pressure though. I think what I'm gonna do is paint this side pink and leave the other side gold. Just so I can be able to switch it, see which side gonna look better. But yeah, we got the hood pins on there. Got the hood pins on there. Damn.